front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth section available here. Then use this switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Tap on this icon next to allow access to contacts and call logs to enable or disable this option, and then hit pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Or, quick tip, if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or a tablet, you need to accept it manually on the second device. You don't have to do that in case of speakers or headphones. Either way, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, use this icon next to your device. And then manage all of those options, or hit unpair if you want to disconnect. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!